Lección número 2 de la page número 6 de Speaking English. Check up. Circle what does not belong. Circula lo que no pertenece. Ahora. Point. Point to 51. Point to the factory. Point to the restaurant. Point to the museum. Point to the roof. Roof. Point to the butterfly. Butterfly. Point to the caterpillar. Caterpillar. Point to the gymnasium. Gymnasium. Point to the building. Building. Point to the school. 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 Very good. Color. Colorea. Point to the park. Park. Parque. Very good. Find and circle. Encuentra y circula. Find these. Encuentra estas. And circle them. Y circúlalas. Okay. Point to the bridge. Bridge. Puente. Point to the pigeon. Pigeon. Paloma. Point to the path. Path. Camino. Point to the park. Park. Parque. Point to the grass. Grass. Pasto. Point to the squirrel. Squirrel. Ardilla. Point to the tree. Tree. Árbol. Point to a flower. Flower. Flor. Point to the nut. Nut. Nuez. Very good. Help the squirrel find the nut. Ayuda a la ardilla, squirrel, find the nut. Nut. Squirrel. Nut. Point to the squirrel. Very good. Now point to the nut. Very good.